The intentions that you set in March didn't disappear. They became neural pathways. And right now, whether you can see it or not, your brain is growing in the direction of what you chose to believe. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Lisa, and this is Science Backed, Soul Supported. We're in week 4, The Garden Speaks. And I want to start this week by going back to March. In March, the community planted seeds, intentions, commitments to who you were becoming. Maybe you wrote them down, or maybe you set them in ceremony. Maybe you simply decided quietly in a moment of stillness, this is who I'm choosing to be. And then life happened. April came. You moved your body, you reset your nervous system, you soaked in the light. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you might be wondering, did any of that actually work? Can I see it yet? Here's what the research says. When you hold an intention, when you repeatedly return to a specific thought, image, or commitment, your brain doesn't treat that as abstract. It treats it as practice. Neuroscientist Alvaro Pascal Leone's landmark research demonstrated that mental rehearsal and physical practice activate the same motor cortex regions with measurable structural similarity. The brain does not distinguish perfectly between imagining and doing. Every time you return to your March intention, whether in meditation, in journaling, in a moment of choosing differently, you are strengthening a neural circuit. Repetition creates myelination. That means nerve connection. Myelination increases the speed and efficiency of the neural pathway. Over time, what began as an intention became a default. It becomes the direction your brain naturally moves. This is not a metaphor. This is not motivation poster language. This is how Hebbian theory works. Neurons that fire together wire together. Your intentions from March are not floating in the air waiting to be claimed. They're already encoded. The question isn't whether the garden is growing. It definitely is. The question is whether you're paying close enough attention to see it. So today's challenge, pull out what you wrote or set in March or the last full moon, your intentions for the last new moon. Your intention, your word, your focus, take a look at it. And then without judgment, answer this one question. Where can I already see evidence of this? It doesn't have to be big. A moment where you chose differently, a conversation you handled better, a habit you maintained. That's your garden. Look for it. This week is our finale, 4 weeks of science, soul, and serious growth, and you made it here. Drop a comment below. What was your March intention, and what's one place you can already see it showing up? I want to witness your garden. See you tomorrow. Like, subscribe, click the bell to be notified, share, and do all the things.